everybody, thank y'all for watching. We are currently in Niagara Falls, New York. About to go see the Niagara Falls live. I'm about to go do a boat tour. We got special guests.
Hi, Skies.
Are you ready for Niagara Falls?
I am.
Hey, wow. Amazing views, beautiful water. It is nice, but it is freezing right now. So it's like 40, but with this water, it's like 20 degrees. But the views are still amazing. We got a lot more to see. Look, that's one of the falls. There's about 2 or 3 main ones. But yes, very cold, but very beautiful at the same time. Loving it.
So cold.
Cold, frio. So far, so good. My hand's a little freezing. It's hard to record because the water always flying on the phone, but we head into the boat. We're gonna do the Maid tour, so we can get some views on the boat. But so far, it's great, as you can see behind me. Please enter this way. Don't mind if I do. We got the ticket in hand. Maid tour. We lit. We're walking up. Pose for the camera. Poncho. Finally got mine. Time to put it on. So, how was it, experience? Did you enjoy it?
It was great.
Hey.
Very good.
Hey.
That's experience.
So I just left the dock from the Maid tour, the boat. It was amazing. Great views, great winds. If you ever want to see a nice place and social distance at the same time, definitely check out the Niagara Falls in New York. So yep, that was it. So I'm wrapping it up. I'm gonna go back to the hotel room and relax. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. More videos coming soon. As always, see y'all in my next video. Peace out.